Philippine Electrical Code arrangement. The PEC is arranged from table of contents, chapters. Under the chapters are articles, article sections, fine print notes, exceptions, and tables, appendix, and index. Table of contents. The table of contents in the Philippine Electrical Code or PEC provides an organized and structured overview of the code's contents. It lists the different chapters, articles, and sections in the code, along with their corresponding page numbers. The table of contents is typically located at the beginning of the code and serves as a roadmap for navigating the code and finding the specific information. It allows users to quickly locate the relevant sections or articles that pertain to their particular installation or equipment and to understand the overall organization of the code. Chapters. The Philippine Electrical Code or PEC is divided into several chapters, each of which covers a specific aspect of electrical installations. The chapters are arranged in a logical order, starting with the general provisions and building up to the more specific requirements for different types of installations and equipment. Under the chapters is articles. There are multiple articles in PEC that provide detailed requirements, guidelines, and specifications for different types of installations or equipment. Article sections. The code is organized into different sections, each of which covers a specific topic or aspect of electrical installations. The sections of the PEC are further divided into articles, which provide more detailed requirements and guidelines for specific types of installations or equipment. Exceptions. Exceptions are specific provisions that deviate from the general rules or requirements established in the code. Exceptions are included to provide flexibility in certain situations where strict adherence to the standard rules may not be feasible or practical. Tables. The Philippine Electrical Code contains several tables that provide important information and specifications related to electrical installations. These tables are typically included within the articles of the code and are used to simplify and organize complex information. Appendix. The PEC contains several appendices that provide additional information and guidance related to the electrical installations. These appendices are included at the end of the code and are intended to supplement the main text of the code. Lastly is the index. The Philippine Electrical Code includes an index at the end of the code, which serves as a reference guide for locating specific information within the code. The index lists the key terms, topics, and sections covered in the code, along with the corresponding page numbers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Registered Master Electricians of the Philippines for more updates. Thank you.